We're going to use that to find the minimum or maximum value. We know this formula right here works because we substituted in from the previous thing. So here we go. So if a is greater than 0 and has a minimum value at x equals negative b over 2a. If it's less than that, it has a maximum value. In other words, if a is positive, we got a minimum. If a is negative, we have a maximum. That's all it's saying. And it occurs when x is negative b over 2a. So what I'm going to do is this. Find the minimum or maximum value of 2x squared minus x plus 1. Well, I'm going to do this. A is 2, b is negative 1, correct? And c is 1. So to find the vertex, I'm going to do the minimum negative b over what? 2a. So I'm going to go negative of negative 1. See, negative of negative 1 over 2 times what? That 2, which will give me a positive what? 1/4. I know the vertex for this problem occurs at 1/4. Now, I think, and this is what I do. I'm going to put 1/4 in here. Instead of doing that c minus, I don't even remember what the formula was. C minus what? B squared over something. Plug it in. Put the 1/4 in here. Right, I think my answer popped up a little soon. But 1/4 times 1/4 is 1/16. You got to square it. Minus 1/4 plus 1. 2 times that 1 makes it 2/16. 2/16 is the same thing as what? 1/8. 1/4 is the same thing as what? 2/8. And 1 is the same thing as what? 8/8. I see the look of confusion, everybody. 1/4 squared is 1/16. I multiply it by 2. That makes it 2/16. 2/16 is the same thing as what? 1/8. Because 2 will go into each of them 1. 2 goes into 2 once, and into 16 8 times. Minusing 1/4, I need a common denominator to add fractions. So if I change 1/4 to 8, I got to multiply 4 times 2, so take that times 2. Hence the minus what? 2/8. And to get a common denominator for the 1, I need it to be 8. I take 8 times 1, 8 times 1, 8. Does 8 over 8 make 1?
Yes.
Yeah. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 8 makes what? 7/8. So the minimum point occurred at what? 1/4, 7/8. Go ahead and